A message to the scientists. "2025 is a year that will go down in history as the most unparalleled time in the world of science. A huge leap is taking place in every level of science, whether it be physiological science or geological sciences or astrosciences. All sciences are going to come to a new awareness, discover new power structures, uncover secrets that have long been missing from equations that are long overdue. Our mission is not to tell you what to do in your sciences. Our mission this time around is to bring first and foremost to the front of the equation the nature of the scientist. Because we saw in our day how science can be used to create weapons of mass destruction. Science can be used to create biowarfare. Science can be used to keep people oppressed. And this time around, we call upon all scientists to find your inner compass so that you are working for the good of all, the whole of humanity, for the thriving of the planet, not for the greed and the glory and the power, but for the furthering the evolution of the entire human species. And for that reason, we come to speak with you this time around to uncover the conflicts within you so that you yourself can empower yourself by taking full responsibility of who you are before you create the mechanisms of your own self-destruction. That way, with everyone committed to working for the greater good and the goodness of all, you will indeed bring science into a new age. And as you do that, you just need to watch and be amazed.